Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. It's Baldy here, and this is not like the Vietnam I showed you previously. Since we left the hotel this morning, it has done nothing but rain. In fact, I would say it's beginning to look a lot like Scotland, because all it's doing is just chucking it down. I wonder if Tex is interesting to say about this horrible weather.
Sometimes you're just going to have to get wet.
Do you know what scares me? It's that laugh. I think he actually likes this. I am starting to get worried.
Brilliant.
Ciao. Hello again. We have stopped off again. Just another impromptu stop for a cup of coffee, and it's still raining. But more worrying than that, Tex is still laughing. What is all that about? Ciao.